Hi there, this is Shazim from Shazim Tricks. Today I am going to share with you how to upscale image and convert image into high quality and unsharp image to sharp, blurry image to unblur, and improve the image quality in Photoshop. So let's get started. At first, open your Photoshop software, then go to File menu and click on the Open and open your image. This is very low quality image, just 48 kilobyte image. Now I am going to improve the image quality and make this image into high quality. First, hold press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate layer and go to image, then image size. Here resolution 300 and width 4000 pixels, and here resemble, select to preserve details 2.0 or bicubic smoother. I am selecting the preserve details 2.0. This option comes from here. Go to edit menu and select preferences and select the technology preview, and here just check mark this enable preserve details 2.0 upscale and click on the OK. Then you will got the preserve details 2.0, this option, this upscale, this new technology option, 4500 pixels, and reduce noise 15% and click on the OK. Now this time go to filter, then sharpen, then unsharp mask. This option, the blurry area will be sharp, that means unsharp area will be sharp from this option unsharp mask. Amount, okay, I am selecting 60%, radius 8 pixels, threshold 5 levels, then click on the OK. This time hold press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate layer and select and rename the layer name smooth skin, and also create a duplicate layer and rename the layer name sharpen. Drag this sharpen layer to top and of the sharpen layer and select the smooth skin layer and go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur or surface blur. I'm selecting the radius 20 pixels, then click on the OK. And now select the sharpen this layer on this layer, and here go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur radius 6 pixels, then click on the OK. Hold press Ctrl Shift U, that means this option, Ctrl Shift U to desaturated, and now go to filter, then other, then high pass radius as per image. Look the image and increase the high pass radius pixels. I'm selecting the 8 pixels, then click on the OK. And now from blending option select to hard light or soft light. I am selecting hard light. Also create a duplicate layer, Ctrl or Command J, selecting this two layer, hold press Ctrl and select the two layer, Ctrl G for group, and select this group layer, hold press Alt key and create a negative mask. Now select the brush tool and must be select foreground color is white and here flow 50%, must be selected the mask, and which area need to sharpen, just click the area. This process smooth your skin and also sharpen the skin area, which need to sharpen the area of the skin. And now see the output of the image. This is the before image and this is the after image. Here the hair area need to improve. Create a new layer and select the clone stem tool and flow 25%, and here sample current and flow, and just easily click on the hair area. Hardness 0%. That's better. Now create a new layer and hold press Ctrl Alt Shift E to apply the current image, or here image, then apply image. Anything you can for apply image. Now go to curves layer and here some modify the image. Yeah, it's now better and look beautiful. That is the before image and that is the after image. See the output of the image. That is really a nice and beautiful output. Now go to file menu and save as. And see the output image size 4 megabyte. The before image size was the only 48 kilobyte and the after image size 4 megabyte. And see the output of the image quality. Just some easy process. If you follow my process and methods, you can improve any image quality and upscale and sharpen and depixelate image. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, just comment your opinion in this video comment box and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. See you next tutorial.